The DJI Osmo 360 has recently surfaced through leaked images and FCC filings, revealing a compact design with dual wide-angle lenses and a touchscreen interface. Internally, it employs a 45-degree mirror system to direct light to its sensors, similar to the Insta360X3. The camera is expected to feature a 1950 mAh battery, USB-C charging, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and compatibility with DJI's MIMO app for control and editing. While there's no official release date, the emergence of detailed leaks suggests a launch may be forthcoming. Design and build quality. Compact and lightweight design. The DJI Osmo 360 is designed with portability and durability in mind. Its body is crafted using lightweight materials to ensure you can easily carry it in a pocket or mount it to a helmet, bike, or drone. Dual-lens, symmetrical layout. The Osmo 360 uses two wide-angle lenses placed on opposite sides of the body. This symmetrical design is essential for capturing seamless 360-degree footage. The placement ensures that the stitching line, where the two video feeds are merged, is minimal, providing a smooth panoramic experience. Rugged and waterproof. DJI has made the Osmo 360 waterproof up to 10 meters without the need for a dedicated waterproof case. This makes it ideal for adventure creators and travel vloggers who shoot in unpredictable environments, be it rain, snow, or underwater. Magnetic quick-release mount. Borrowed from DJI's Action series, the Osmo 360 comes with a magnetic mounting system. This allows creators to mount or dismount the camera in seconds without fiddling with screws or complicated mechanisms. Engineering and internal technology. Mirror-based optical system. DJI uses an innovative mirror-based design inside the Osmo 360. This technology redirects light at a 45-degree angle into the image sensors, allowing DJI to fit larger and more capable sensors into a compact body. It's a clever solution that provides high-quality footage without increasing the device's size. Heat dissipation and cooling. Thanks to an efficient internal layout, the Osmo 360 uses internal heat channels and metal heat sinks to dissipate heat during long recording sessions. This prevents overheating and ensures consistent performance. Touchscreen and control interface. High-resolution touchscreen. The front-facing display allows users to frame shots, control settings, and preview footage. The UI is intuitive, fast, and responsive, consistent with other DJI products. Physical buttons. Aside from the touchscreen, the Osmo 360 features customizable physical buttons for quick access to recording modes, power, and menu navigation. Voice control. DJI has built-in voice recognition, allowing users to issue voice commands like start recording, stop recording, or take a photo. This is especially useful in hands-free shooting scenarios. Battery and charging. Battery capacity. The Osmo 360 is powered by a 1950 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. This provides up to 90 minutes of continuous 5.7K video recording in standard conditions. Fast USB-C charging. The camera supports 30W USB-C fast charging, which can top up the battery from 0 to 100% in approximately 30 minutes. This allows creators to get back to shooting faster with minimal downtime. Removable battery. For extended shoots, DJI allows for swappable batteries, so you can carry a few spares and shoot all day. Connectivity options. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. With support for the latest wireless standards, transferring footage to your phone or controlling the camera via your smartphone is faster and more stable than ever. Wi-Fi 6 ensures high-speed, low-latency connections even when sending large video files. GPS tagging via smartphone. When paired with the DJI MIMO app, GPS metadata from your phone can be embedded into the footage, useful for travel logs, maps, and storytelling. DJI MIMO app integration. Remote control and monitoring. Use your smartphone to remotely preview what the Osmo 360 sees, change settings, or start/stop recording. AI editing and smart framing. The app includes AI power tools that help you automatically reframe shots, apply cinematic transitions, and adjust perspective using the captured 360-degree footage. Post-production tools. You can edit, add music, filters, and export your footage directly from your phone, making it ideal for on-the-go creators. Video capabilities. Resolution and frame rates. 5.7K at up to 60 frames per second for ultra-crisp panoramic video. 4K at 100 frames per second for slow motion, 360 content. 1080p modes optimized for quick sharing and editing. Image quality. The Osmo 360 uses dual 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors. These sensors capture more light, improving image quality in both bright and low-light conditions. Combined with DJI's image processing algorithms, the results are cinematic and smooth. HDR and RAW recording. The camera supports both HDR video and RAW photo formats, giving creators more flexibility in post-production. Photo features. High-resolution panoramas. Capture 48MP stitched 360-degree panoramic photos. Great for landscape photography, real estate tours, and VR applications. Time-lapse and night modes. The camera includes intelligent shooting modes like night shot, star trails, time-lapse, and light painting. Smart shooting modes. Auto reframe. Turn 360 videos into standard flat videos, automatically framing your subject using AI tracking. Horizon lock. Keeps your horizon level and stable, no matter how the camera is oriented, even when upside down. Bullet time and time shift. DJI's cinematic bullet time mode slows down footage in a dramatic, rotating fashion. Time shift lets you move through scenes with fast-forward effects, ideal for storytelling. Stabilization. Rocksteady 3.0. DJI integrates its latest stabilization tech, which is essential for handheld or action shots. No gimbal needed. Storage. Expandable microSD storage. Supports cards up to 1 terabyte, ideal for long shooting sessions at high resolution and high bitrate. Efficient compression. H.265. H.265 compression ensures that you get high-quality footage in smaller file sizes, saving space while retaining clarity. Ecosystem compatibility and accessories. Accessory support. Works seamlessly with DJI's invisible selfie stick, automatically removed from frame using software. Waterproof diving case. Tripods and stabilizers. Car and helmet mounts. Drone integration tools. Part of the DJI creator ecosystem. If you already own a DJI drone, gimbal, or action camera, the Osmo 360 fits right into your existing workflow. Expected price and launch window. Estimated price. $499 to $599 competitive with other premium 360 cameras on the market. Release date. Expected in Q3 or Q4 of 2025. FCC filings, internal leaks, and the near-final hardware suggest it's close to being officially announced. Final thoughts. The DJI Osmo 360 is more than just a camera. It's a storytelling tool built for the modern creator. With premium specs, robust build, deep software integration, and DJI's hardware pedigree, this camera is poised to redefine 360 degrees content creation. If you're serious about immersive storytelling, VR content, or just want the best action cam experience, keep your eyes on this one.